Imagine owning something so valuable you'd hesitate to even touch it. A watch so rare, so expensive that one wrong move could cost more than your house, your car, maybe even your entire life savings. Today, we're diving into the three most expensive watches on planet Earth, masterpieces that blur the line between luxury, art, and pure insanity. And trust me, number one will challenge everything you think you know about expensive. 3. Patek Philippe Grandmaster Chime 6300A, $31 million. This isn't just a watch, it's a mechanical universe strapped to your wrist. The Grandmaster Chime features 20 complications, including a reversible case that flips like a luxury transformer. It even has a function that records and plays back chimes like a musical instrument. And here's the kicker. It's the only one of its kind ever made. One watch, one buyer, infinite bragging rights. Pattern interrupt. Imagine forgetting this thing at Starbucks. You'd literally trigger an international crisis. But the price, that's just the beginning, because number two makes this look like a budget item. 2. Graf Diamonds The Fascination, $40 million. Now we're entering diamond territory. Graf, known for cutting some of the world's rarest stones, created a watch made for royalty or maybe a Bond villain. The Fascination contains 152.96 carats of white diamonds, and the center stone, a 38-carat pear-shaped diamond, detaches to become a ring. Yes, a watch with a built-in $40 million ring. Because apparently, two luxury items in one was the only logical option. But hang on, because the number one watch on this planet is so outrageous, so unbelievable that most people think it shouldn't even exist. Cliffhanger. The next watch costs more than a private island, and it might not even be worn as a watch at all. 1. Graf Diamonds Hallucination, $55 million. You're looking at the most expensive watch ever created. The Hallucination is a kaleidoscope of 110 carats of extremely rare, extremely colored diamonds. Pink, blue, yellow, green, stones so scarce that single carats can go for millions. What makes it so special? Every stone is hand-selected, hand-cut, and set into a platinum bracelet that looks more like an art piece than anything meant to tell time. In fact, here's the ironic part. The actual watch dial is tiny, almost hidden. The diamonds are the real show. Humorous interrupt. Imagine someone asking you for the time, and you spend 10 minutes just trying to find the watch face. This isn't just luxury. It's a statement that says, I don't buy watches to tell time, I buy them so time itself feels poor. So there you have it, the three most expensive watches on Earth, built for a world where money doesn't just speak, it sparkles. But hear the truth. Whether worth $300 or $55 million, a watch is really about one thing: how you choose to spend your time. And speaking of time, if you want to keep the excitement going, then don't miss my next video. Backhand index pointing right, top 10 unbelievable moments caught on camera, 2025 edition. Trust me, the insane clips in that video will blow your mind. Click it now before time runs out. Hourglass Fire.